So most of the activities for the maintenance of this nice compressor, vane type Hydrovane oil compressor, is done. What I did is I dismantled all the on the valves, regulation and control valves. This is the servo valve which controls the behavior of the suction side valve, which is called a unloader valve, which modulates the amount of air which is sucked by the compressor unit, which depends on the delivery pressure, on the demand, right? The more pressure you want, the more open it is opening, the less it is closing and opening internal bypass, so it will not drain too much power from your mains when you don't need pressure air. So what we have now here, I need to fill the new oil because the compressor was warm up. Then I drained the oil. I checked the oil strainer here, just a small emulsion inside, no debris, no particles inside, very nice. Everything was dismantled from this side and inspected. Minimum pressure valve, which is located here, was dismantled as well and checked. So all the compressed air is going through the cooler, so the moisture will be removed from the stream by this unit. This unit, together with this one, which is connected to the lowest point of the air tank. Everything goes here to this solenoid valve. This solenoid valve is controlled by the main switchboard, which opens this solenoid valve as soon as the main motor starts. So as long as this motor is running, this system is open and is draining water, which is removing the moisture from the compressed air. You can expect a lot of water if you are compressing a lot of air in a humid, quite a humid environment. Anyway, to the list, I have inspected a PT100 temperature sensor, which is located here as well. It maintains correct value, and the problem at the beginning, the problem was that there was no correct temperature reading on the panel in the front of the unit. I will show you here. So the problem was that this temperature gauge was showing 60 degrees centigrade, which of course was not a real reading. It turns out that a fuse was broken, so after I removed the fuse, you can see that the light is on, which is showing that the compressor is within the temperature range. So there is a start permission, so you can start the compressor now, but I will not do it now because there is no oil inside. So the next step is to refill the compressor casing with right amount of the right oil. What else? There is some small air leak here, so it must be fixed. What else here? Airtank, which is 1978, 43 years old, looks like a brand new one. Really good job, well maintained. What else here? This is the electrical cabinet. So the vacuum pump control is still here. The vacuum pump itself was removed, so I took these cables out of the rail because I will not use it now. So just for safety purpose, because the cable from the other side is just cut by pliers, some cutters. So it is disconnected physically here. It's not connected to anywhere on the other side. For now I will not use it. What else? What else? What else? The cabinet itself, the whole unit is closed, perfectly silenced. It is this unit is 5.5 kilowatts power, which delivers more or less 840 liters a minute at 7 bars. So really nice compressor unit for a home use, small workshop use, because this amount of air easily allows you to do a sandblasting. And this is the main reason I bought this unit. Actually, I have two, the same one. That's why I know what to do with this one, because I've already did a maintenance on that one, and it's working beautifully. So this one will be available to you if you're interested. We can see the panels here. The panels are sealed with some foam. Really heavy design. The whole unit weighs about 650 kilograms, more or less. So imagine how good this design is. Yeah, this is really I really like that one. So this is a thermally controlled actuator, which is opening and closing this flap here, allowing a different path of the cooling air. Depends on the inside temperature. So this is a nice feature as well. This is a pressure switch connected directly to the air tank, which controls the power for the main unit. You just cut off the main motor when the pressure reaches a certain value. You can change these settings here. However, this unit, this Hydrovane compressor, is designed to deliver compressed air 24/7. It is for continuous run. So if you want to use it continuously, you can modify this the control for the motor, and you can easily run it for hours and hours. The next thing is that the running hours for this compressor is only 1880 something. No. Yes. Anyway, this one, for example, is only 665 hours. These units were really barely used. Really nice action, because these Hydrovane compressors are known to be very rigid, very sturdy and reliable units that can do easily tens of thousands working hours, or even 100, 120. I saw compressors on the internet which were in use for 150,000 hours without any big maintenance, right? Repairs. So these units are like new condition, although they are 40 something years old. Yeah, so this is a really interesting thing. So next thing to do. Okay, I have a phone.